Hi everyone, today we're going to look at this box collection called Peppa's Day Out Box of Books. Subscribe to my channel, press that button below and follow me. We'll find even more Peppa Pig books in my collection. I also have Hey Dougie books, Bluey books and Super Tater books, so do check out my other videos. Now let's look at this little box set. Wow, it's very heavy. Peppa's Day Out box of books. It has Peppa at the Museum, Peppa's Castle Adventure, Peppa at the Beach, Peppa at the Petting Farm. Whoa. It's got 4 books. Shall we take them out? There's Peppa at the Museum. There is Peppa's Castle Adventure. There's Peppa at the Beach. And Peppa at the Petting Farm. Wow. I can't wait to read these. Subscribe to my channel. Check out my next set of videos where I'll be going through reading each and every one of these books. So do subscribe and follow. Bye bye for now.